Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Samreen Sheikh. And we are have the decision making under uncertainty. The fifth one is the Horwich criterion. In this Horwich criterion, we have two types: maximization problem, minimization problem. Maximization problem. This is a payoff matrix. So here we have follow the formula to we have to solve this problem. So here we are entering into the problem is. So here in this problem we have to pick the maximum value and minimum value. So here first we have to pick the maximum minimum values in this matrix. So here the S1 row we have the maximum value is 1500. So here the 1500, minimum value is 0, and S2 row we have the maximum value is 3750 and the minimum value is 250. And now here the next row S3. Here the maximum value is 4750 and minimum value is minus 500. And the next S4 row we have maximum value is 4000, minimum value is minus 1250. So here while we are going to solve the weighted outcomes, we have to follow the formula. So here the formula is weighted outcomes is equals to here the formula alpha into maximum value plus 1 minus alpha into minimum value. So here the given the alpha value. So here actually alpha value is given 0.6. Actually while we are measuring to the any problem, alpha is equals to 1 to 0. Here the 0 to 1 only value is given. So here if given into the problem we have considered to the 0.6. While they are not given to the any problems alpha value, we have to take the 0.5 value only. So in this problem they have given the alpha value 0.6. So here the outcome is equals to alpha, and here the first alpha value is 0.6 into maximum value is 1500. So here we are taken to the maximum values and minimum values. So here the maximum value is 1500 and the next plus 1 minus alpha value is given 0.6. So here we are considered 0.6. Minimum value is 0. So here the 0.6 into 1500 is equals to 900, and the plus 1 minus 0.6 is equals to 0.4 into 0 is equals to 0. Here the value is 900. So here the in this matrix value is 900 and next here next one is 0.6 and the next one 0.6 into 3750 plus 1 minus 0.6, the value is 250, minimum value 250. Here the is equals to 2250 plus 100 is equals to 2350. So here the outcome value is 2350 and the next value is equals to S3 row, and this is the S2 row, and here this is the S3. So S3 row is equals to 0.6 into maximum value 4750 plus 1 minus 0.6, minimum value is minus 500. So here the value 0.6 into 4750. So here 2850, and here 1 minus 0.6 is equals to 0.4. 0.4 into minus 500. So here the minus 200 value. Here plus into minus, minus 2850 plus into minus, minus 200 is equals to 2650, and here 2650. And the next one is S4 row. S4 row is equals to, here the 0.6 into maximum value 4000 plus 1 minus 0.6 into minus 1250. So here the value 0.6 into 4000 is equals to 2400, and the next 1 minus 0.6. So 1 minus 0.6 is equals to 0.4 into minus 1250 is equals to minus 500. So here minus 500. 2400 plus into minus, minus 500 is equals to 1900. So here the 1900. In this value, we have to pick the weighted outcome which is highest. So here the S1, S2, S3, S4 rows, we have S1 is equals to 900, S2 is equals to 2350, S3 is equals to 2650, and S4 is equals to 1900. Which is the highest here? S3 value is highest weighted outcome. So the S3 is selected. And here we have to given the alpha value in the problem, we have to measure. If they are not given to the alpha value, we have to assume the value is range always 0 to 1 only. So if they are not mentioned the alpha value in the problem, we have to assume the alpha value is equals to 0.5. 0.5. So while they are given to the alpha value, we have to consider that alpha value. Even they are not given to the alpha value, we have to assume the alpha value is equals to 0.5. So here the next one is the minimization problem. So here the minimization problem is a cost matrix. We have to use the formula is the weighted outcomes is equals to alpha into minimum plus 1 minus alpha into maximum. So while we are entering into the problem, so here the problem, we have to values taken to the minimum and maximum value outcomes. So here we have to take minimum value and maximum value and weighted outcome. So here the S1 row we have 1000, 1500, 750, 0. So here in this row minimum value is 0, maximum value is 1500. And S2 row minimum value is 250, maximum value is 3750. And here the next one is the S3 row. We have the minimum value is minus 500, maximum value is 4750. And here the S4 row, minimum value is the minus 1250 and the maximum value is a 4000. So in this weighted outcomes, we have to, using with this formula, we have to solve this problem. So here the weighted outcomes, there is a not given alpha value. So we have to assume alpha value is equals to 0.5. So here the first one is a formula alpha into minimum plus 1 minus alpha maximum value. So here the first one is a 0.5 into minimum value is 0 and the plus 1 minus alpha value 0.5 into maximum value is 1500. So here the 0.5 into 0 plus 1 minus 0.5 is equals to 0.5 into 1500 is equals to 750. So here the 750 S1 weighted outcome. So 750. And here next to the S2 row. So S2 row is equals to 0.5 into minimum value 250 plus 1 minus 0.5 maximum value 3750. And here the value 0.5 into 250 is equals to 125, and the plus 1 minus 0.5 is equals to 0.5 into 3750 is equals to 1875. 125 plus 1875 is equals to 2000, and here the S2 is equals to 2000, and here the S3 is equals to 0.5 into minimum value minus 500 plus 1 minus 0.5 into maximum value 4750. So here the 0.5 into minus 500 is equals to minus 250 plus 0.5 into 4750 is equals to 2375 is equals to 2000. Here the minus 250 plus 2375 is equals to 2125. So here the 2125, and the next S4 value. So here the S4 is equals to 0.5. Here minimum value is minus 1550. So here the minus here the minus 1250 plus 1 minus 0.5, and the maximum value is 4000. So 4000. So here the 0.5 into minus 1250 is equals to minus 625 plus 0.5 into 4000 is equals to 2000 is equals to 1375. So here the 1375, and in this matrix we have to, in the weighted outcomes, choose the lowest value. So lowest value is a 750. So here the value of the outcome is a 750. S1 row is selected. I hope you guys like my video. Please like, share, comment और subscribe करना ना भूले. Thanks for watching.